Ever get a call from a private number and wonder who it is? It's frustrating, especially if it's spam. The good news? You can reveal private numbers on your iPhone. Here's how. Part 1. What is a private number on iPhone? A private number hides your caller ID, showing private, unknown, or blocked. Useful for privacy, one-time calls, or anonymous contact. Part 2. How to remove private number from iPhone. Open Settings, Phone, show my caller ID. Toggle it on green to display your number when calling. Part 3. Will private number lead to privacy leaks? Deleted private numbers can be recovered, risking your privacy. To erase them permanently, use Mobikin Eraser for iOS, ideal before selling your iPhone. Step 1. First, download and install Mobikin Eraser for iOS on your computer. Once installed, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Wait for the program to recognize your phone. Once ready, click the Erase button on the program interface. Step 2. Next, you will be presented with 3 different security levels: low, medium, and high. Depending on how thoroughly you want to erase your data, select the level that best suits your needs. Once selected, click OK to confirm. Step 3. On the next screen, you will be asked to enter the word Erase in the box. This step is to make sure you want to proceed. Once entered, click the Erase button to begin erasing your iPhone's data.